Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Gardening Houseplants. I would like to say thank you sa tiwalang ibinibigay nyo sa akin at sa suporta mula noon hanggang ngayon at sa mga susunod pa nating videos. Your dedication, understanding, and time at lalong-lalo na sa effort ninyo to watch and support my videos all mean so much to me. And I feel very lucky to be able to experience life alongside with all of you. I want to extend my thanks and appreciation for your time and effort for doing this kind of awesome videos. Thank you for your participation. So guys, let us all together appreciate the beauty of this Camp Vizcara shared by our beautiful sis Jenilyn Alejo. So kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe kay sis Jenilyn Alejo, ay unahan nyo na po siya makipag-connect sa kanya. Maraming salamat po. Camp Vizcara is located in Ramon Isabela Province, a place that everybody wants to visit. This is a tourist spot of the municipality of Ramon Isabela. This is a nice place, a view to visited with group of families, friends, and relatives. Camp Vizcara is underdeveloped place but many tourists visited on this place. They build falls for picnickers. It is a nice place and beautiful to celebrate birthdays, weddings, or other special occasions. Please enjoy this view. Thank you. Thank you Sis Jenny Lynn for sharing this very interesting place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless us all and I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye!